everyone, welcome back to Pooja's Recipes. Guess what? Today I'm going to share a very nice and quick recipe with you. It's everyone's favorite stir fry noodles and I'm going to make it more healthy. I'm going to add tofu and vegetables to it. So it's really going to be very quick and very easy and very healthy to eat. So let me show you the ingredients now. This is boiled spaghetti. This is almost cooked. This is 80 to 90% cooked. See, this is not. I cooked this, and you can refer how to boil spaghetti or pasta. You can refer to one of my videos which I have made in this, pasta in red sauce. It's the same way I have boiled spaghetti like I have boiled pasta. These are 2 to 3 peppers, capsicums and peppers. I've cut the juliennes out of it, thin or thick, whatever size you want to. This is tofu. Also I've cut the thin slices, long, maybe medium size. These are 3 onions, sliced onions. This is 1 corn kernels, boiled or frozen ones, washed properly. Black pepper, soy sauce, olive oil, red chili flakes, salt and garlic. And also you can add choice of your vegetables. Broccoli you can add, or whichever vegetable you like you can add of your own choice. So let's start making it. We have taken the pan, heated up, the flame is on now. I'm going to add this olive oil. You can take any oil. I would prefer this stir fry in olive oil. 2 to 3 spoons of olive oil and let it heat a little bit. Then you're going to add garlic to it. This olive oil also gives a very good flavor to stir fry, especially with garlic and tofu. And make the flame slow now because garlic burns very quickly. Now we have to saute this garlic. For a few seconds. Just do it until this rawness is gone. 20-30 seconds on slow flame. Now I'm going to add these onions to it, sliced onions. They should be properly cooked because they should be like eaten a bit onions for 1 to 2 minutes on high flame. They should remain crunchy, not very soft. Adding this tofu now, these tofu pieces. Keep the flame high and just keep stirring because it's just a stir fry. You just have to stir it. You don't have to cook it. Everything is boiled and ready, so we don't need to take long time to cook. Adding peppers now. Peppers are going in. Colorful, nice peppers. Again, give it a stir. And adding these corn kernels to it. Now it's really looking very nice. Yellow, green, red together. Colorful. And with lots of health benefits. Again, the flame is high. Adding salt to it now. Make sure that because already salt is there with spaghetti, I boiled it. So we are going to add according to taste. Also I will add these red chili flakes. Now also and later also. It gives a very good flavor. We're going to add this crushed fresh pepper, black pepper, for a very good flavor to it. And now this boiled spaghetti. It looks so nice. I'm going to give it a good mix. Looks amazing. See how quick it is. Sauteed it for 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes I would say. Now I'm going to add finally this soy sauce to it. It's a very nice and stir fry. Soy sauce tastes very good. Just mix it and this is ready to serve with little bit of more chili flakes. As I've mixed everything together, this is done already. I'm going to switch off the flame. Add some more chili flakes to it. According to your taste, you can add more. And serve it quickly. I have served this. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of more red chili flakes to it. Wow, it looks so amazing. See, with tofu, with vegetables, This is a really very quick and very nice recipe of stir fry with tofu. Please do try and comment, and hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.